Hospitals are often busy, stressful, and packed with people. Architects need to ensure the highest standards of architectural woodwork to ensure project safety. When you specify QCP in your project documents, you make it so only the most reliable and talented firms can bid for it. All QCP licensed firms undergo rigorous testing to earn their license, giving you assurance of safety compliance. Even better, a qualified QCP inspector will visit certified projects to check that your woodwork meets the specifications you've set for a hospital environment. Specifying QCP in your project is easy. All you need to do is include specification language in the quality assurance section of your project documents. Register your project to receive your project number. Add your project number to your specs. In 3 simple steps, you make sure your client receives what you've specified.